To get started, click create a text. Let's say Photoshop. Create a text. And once you're done, just resize it to your likings. After that, you can just click Control and I'll click this icon here. Control and click. After that, click Control C, and Control D to remove the highlights. Now, after you copied it, create a new layer and remove this one. Press Control Alt V, or you can just go to Filter and Vanishing Point. Once you're done, create a text that create a plane where you would like it to put the text or the image. And if you see a red or yellow, this means that the plane you have created is not good and it's not aligning to the plane. So just make sure that it's color blue. And just press Ctrl V, just place it, and once you've done, just put it there. But as you can see, it's not aligning to what I want. So press Ctrl Z and press T to transform it. Now you want it to rotate this one. Once you've done it, just put it there, and you're actually done here. Say right here, and once you're happy with it, let's say this one. Once you're happy with it, just press OK. And so that if you want this to create an effect to make an illusion, just press this underlaying here and also this one. So just press Alt to cut it up and adjust it, and this one also the way that you want it to be seen. Once you're happy with it, just press OK and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.